Hello everyone. So welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's start with another video of our Leetcode 75 playlist. And today's question is find the highest altitude. So let's just start with the problem statement. There's a biker going on a road trip, and the road trip consists of n plus 1 points at different altitudes. The biker starts his trip on point 0 with altitude equal to 0. So we are given an integer array gain of length n, where gain of I is the net gain in altitude between point I and I plus 1. For all 0 to n, we have to return the highest altitude of a point. So if we can see this example, it is minus 5. This is the first, then second, then third, fourth, and fifth, and before it was 0, so the maximum gain is 1. Okay, so let's just move to the intuition part. Yeah, so we are given this example. So if you can see this, let's just have a small diagram for it. So it is at 0 first, after that minus 5, so it will be somewhere here, then after that to 1. So minus 5 gain, then 1 gain. So 1 will be minus 4. Then after 5 gain, that means 5 minus 4 is 1. Then here, after that 0 gain, so it will be here. Now minus 7, so it will be somewhere here minus 6. Okay, so the highest gain is, so the highest altitude point is this 1, and we have to return it. So I think it is pretty simple. If we just add all of them going through the array, and we get get our maximum, get the maximum while going through the array. Okay, so this is our basic approach for this. So let's just have a small dry run. So what is it? uh, so earlier it is like, let's just have int val to 0. So when it comes to minus 5, it is minus 5, 0 plus minus 5. So our maximum is minus 5. After that, plus 1, it will be minus 4, and our maximum will be minus 4. After that, plus 5, so that will be 1. So maximum will be 1. After that, 1 plus 0 is 1 only. So maximum will not update. After that, 1 minus 6 is minus 7. Okay, minus 7 is smaller than this, so will not update, and we get our answer, that is 1, right? So while going through the array, we just add them and update our max value. That will give us our highest altitude answer. Okay, so the time complexity is big of n, since we are just going through the array, and space complexity is big of 1, because we are just using variables, this value, sum and maximum. Okay, so let's just move to the coding part very fast. Yeah, so let's just start writing the code for this. Okay, so int max altitude we'll store in some variable, and then int current altitude in a variable. Okay, after that, what we'll do, we will go for each value in this array. Okay, and now what we get, we will add current altitude plus equals to that is gain of I, right? Yeah, now we'll update our max altitude equals to max altitude, and then this. Okay, since the gain will be from this to this, and if we can see, this will be negative. So the highest gain is 0 only. So we can get 0. Okay, so now just we get return our answer. Return max altitude. Yeah, so let's just try to run it for all example test cases. Yeah, it is working fine for all of them. Let's just try to submit it. Yeah, it is working fine for all of the example tests, all of the test cases. Thanks everyone for watching. In case you do like this video, please do subscribe our channel and we will together complete this 75 days playlist to get better and crack up our coding interviews. Thanks everyone.